The camera never catches me do it. It's weird. It like keeps my eyes on like the way they are.
Do it.
It just makes them look.
Do it. Do it, and then I. Do it.
He's starting to freak me out.
You do it. So you can tell. Yes.
Oh, I think my hair is in your food. Oh, that's so gross.
It caught it.
Want stuffing?
No, it didn't.
Anyways, it tastes
Play it.
gross.
Play it. I dare you. It didn't catch. Who does it that way?
I was not planning on doing that. Anybody else want to go?
I was gonna do it like this. Like,
Yeah, that's how everybody else is gonna do it.
Weirdo.
Come on, go.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No.
I'll go.
I'm going last. After someone rolls like a log, that's when I'll go.
Okay, fine.
More like a log.
Move! She's going right for you. Go slow.
Wow. Okay, that was kind of a fail.
Michaela. Who's Michaela? Oh, you are.
You forgot my name. I'm offended.
Well, I know.
Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna try to do this. Okay, so I'm looking at the side because I'm about to
You
roll.
should hold it like this. Look.
You should just like start spinning with the camera in your hand.
That's
what
what
I'm
she's
doing.
doing. That's why.
Okay, here we go. Oh, wow, okay.
I do.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone falls for that. I don't know why.
I'm so dizzy.
I'm coming for you. Get you.
I'm so dizzy. No. Whoa, somebody want to help me up? I can't walk, see straight or anything.
Ready?
I was like, I can't see or walk straight or anything. So that random mass was me rolling down the hill.
Ow, bit my cheek.
Bam!
Wham!
Kazam!
Ow,
Shazam!
What's up with it?
You have it.
Hi! Ruining my view.
Yes.
Huh?
Give me a piggyback ride.
Hey, he'll give you one.
Wait. Yeah, carry me to the Great
I
Wall.
look like I'm dead.
No! Wait a second.
It's not zoomed in. Is it recording? Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, yeah.
Just. Oh my gosh.
You know, now that I think about it, Raquel hasn't went down yet.
I don't want to go down.
Come on.
I'm wearing white.
Well, why don't you take the white off?
Okay.
Green nails.
Dude, Kayla, look. You're like.
Running.
Let me see. I failed at rolling down the hill.
Let me see. Look. No. Oh, you're taking a picture. It's
Oh,
not
that's
a-
really cool. That's really good.
Oh,
I'll take a picture. Everybody jump up in the air and I'll try and take a picture.
Yes.
It's over in that. That's a cool.
That's like the best.
Wait, let her hold your camera. Wait, what?
No, it's okay. She's going to post on
Ready?
Facebook,
Come
right,
on.
Raquel?
You're gonna jump up in the air and she's gonna get it of us all up.
Oh, and you're flipping hand. Whoa.
Dude. Seriously? Oh, what? Oh.
Hold on. Okay.
One. Hold hands. 1, 2, 3.
You get it? You want to sit it again? You decide.
We're all doing it at the same time.
Sorry, take it. It's still recording though.
You were really high up in the air. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Did you get it that time?
No. You were on the ground this time.
Sorry, can you take a picture so Raquel can jump with us?
Okay, ready? Set. Go. Again.
1, 2,
3.
Ow.
We're all in different times. Come on.
You know what?
When I say
I'm
1, 2,
rolling down
3,
this hill.
jump. When I say jump, you say, not you say.
We should all do like
Jump.
When I say jump, you say how high jump. We shouldn't hold hands. We should all just go.
Yeah.
And do like all these different stuff like.
Like in that cover of High School Musical.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure they're all on strings.
Don't remind me. Bad memories.
Ready?
Come on, get up.
Two.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Ready?
One.
Jump.
I think I would stick my tongue out. Can we do that over?
Was it
Crap,
good?
It got it and then it
Deleted?
this camera is so stupid. Okay. No. Ready? Go.
One.
That was so sudden.
I was like this in the air.
Kayla, your hair was in your face.
Kayla, you can just like
Okay,
Photoshop
ready?
this.
Wow, I
We were
love
all on
high.
the ground. We
Except you're always in the air. You're
But you
always
just,
in the
like,
I
air.
jumped really high. I'm going like this.
We're gonna stop
this.
Hey. Hey, Jess. Hi.
On an adventure.
Hi.
We have to find
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Jess.
A bug just flew in my eye.
One time I was playing soccer and a bug flew in my mouth
We're
and I
walking.
spit it out. And it was like
to meeting hall.
the fire, like it was trying to breathe. That way. But it was really disgusting. I ate it.
Totally fun.
Oh yeah, and Raquel's flipping. Oh yeah.
Flipping. I'm flipping. Look at
And
I'm
Michaela's
flipping.
trying to find where we're going.
Where are we going? Wait, let me see where we're going.
This is
Let me see where we're going. Okay.
because P
Yeah, we're
is
totally
this
going.
building right here.
That's P.
This is P, guys. So
That's
we're
P.
going there.
That is P!
P, we're going over there.
I didn't do that. That wasn't me. Why'd you yell like that, Mickey?
Guys, what time is it?
I don't know.
Why are we...
I don't even know where my phone is.
That's not my
My
phone.
phone's in here, but I don't feel like taking it out.
Okay.
Oh,
We're
you can do
walking.
better than that.
We're walking, and the time is sometime. It's 6:53. It is 6:53.
Wait, don't take it anymore.
We're on an adventure.
Don't hurt anyone.
Michaela, an amazing adventure.
Yes. Over the mountains and over the woods.
An adventure of all sorts.
Grandma's house we go. There's lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my.
Totally.
You know the potholes in this stupid road? Okay. Horrible.
Imagine driving down this or like riding down it on your bike.
Guys, look at all the
Worst, worst,
right there.
bad. Oh, totally gross. Look at this. It's like nasty. Okay, so look, I think we're going to the right place.
Guys,
Look at that sign.
convent. That's the convent over there.
Yeah.
The what?
Convent for the nuns.
I thought you meant like convict, like where people stay that were in jail.
Wow, Raquel. Wow. It's a bell. We should bring it later. We should sneak out here in the middle of the night and bring
Wait.
it.
Okay. What's a helipad? I mean helipad. Oh, okay. I thought it was a helipad. Helipad. Those windows are slightly creepy. Someone ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Are we allowed?
Ding dong. Ring the bell for the nuns. See, that's the nun house over there. It's really big. Oh my God, there's goats over there. I think
Oh my God, we gotta go down to the goat raptor.
it's gonna be dark. Oh my God, I think I left the flashlight on the table. Oh well. Jess, I think I left the flashlight on the table. What am I gonna do? Do you think Jess, the other Jess, will be mad? Hey, thanks for holding the. Oh, yeah, thanks. Ow.
It's the end of day one. We're in our cabins. And basically most people are just sleeping on top bunks. Except for
everybody is.
No.
Wait, who's not?
Oh wait. No, I guess everybody is. That is.
It's like 3 in the afternoon.
Everybody's sleeping on a top bunk. Nobody is on a bottom bunk. So this is amazing. Say good night, Raquel. Good night.
Night.